Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript top 40 one-liners that every developer must know, and you can use these code snippets on your daily basis at work. Today I'm going to give you a one-liner code snippet to merge two arrays. This is one of the most common use case, especially when working in modern applications. You are required to merge more than one array, etc. So I'm going to show you how to merge two arrays in this particular code snippet. Let's get started. This is part 23 of this particular series. I'm covering top 40 code snippets like this. If you have missed out on the first 22 parts, make sure that you go through them. These are really awesome and I'm sure you will only benefit from them. So this is part 23. HTML. Alright, now let's create the doc type HTML, throw in the HTML structure. And thank you so much for the emails that I get appreciating this series. Yes, I do live coding, and trust me, after so many years of coding, you get used to certain style and certain way of writing code, and these are all hard learned. I'll not say the journey was easy, but nevertheless, that's why I say keep learning, keep growing. Alright, coming back to the problem, I'm creating a function which will accept two arrays, and what they'll do is simply we'll use the spread operator and say array1, and then I'm going to say array2. That's all we need to do to merge the arrays. So here we are using the spread operator. Now this has multiple use cases that you can do in order to do that. One of the coolest way is to merge them. Right now, this is a spread operator that's absolutely powerful, absolutely amazing thing. If you're not using it, I think you should start using it right away from today. It's extremely powerful and it has many use cases, not only just for merging, but it can be used in multiple ways. I have shown you multiple ways in my different ways in this particular series, so make sure that you check it out. Alright, so merged array. Now all we need to do is call the merge array method and pass array1, pass array2, and all it will do is it will just combine both the arrays. Now let's do a console log merged array, the outcome, and that's all you need. So basically just one line to merge two arrays and spit out the output. Let's see that. Alright, so now you see the entire thing 1 2 3 4 5 6 is one single array. It has been merged, right? And what did we do? It's just using the spread operator. Okay, now we are passing two arrays as the input, and using the spread operator we are joining them automatically. It can be any values, need not to be sequence, right? It can be 57, 578, whatever numbers you want to pass, and see that it will just show the array of this six, now all the six values, okay, in that sequence. Now what happens when you have similar values? Let's say 1 1 and 2 3, these are different. Now let me show you what happens when you do that. So it would still retain the array, it will not filter out. Okay, we are not using set. When you use set, it will filter out, but here we are just blindly merging two arrays, so it will retain the duplicate values. Remember that, that's one of the key things often asked in interviews as well. Okay, so the idea here is to use this one line next time to merge the arrays. I hope you're liking this particular series, and I hope you're learning, and I keep praying that may you learn more, may you grow more. Thank you so much for joining. If you are liking the series, please do hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episode 24. We'll continue this series till I share 40 code snippets. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.